ఇట్లా పట్టుకుంటే చాలు. డిఫాల్ట్గా లో మెమరీతో అదే తీసుకుంటుంది. ఇట్లా పట్టుకోండి చాలు. ఇట్ హ్యాస్ సమ్ మ్యాప్.
ఓకే.
లెస్ మెమరీతో అదే తీసుకుంటుంది.
బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ రికార్డర్. లాక్ సార్ ఆటోమేటిక్గా వీడియో ఇది అవుతుందంట. లేవు ఇంతగా రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది.
Okay. So now 3 laws are completed. Margana Nyayam, Marjala Nyayam, Ksheranjaya Nyayam. Last one is Ksheranjaya Nyayam means Hamsa పాలు ఇచ్చారనుకోండి, పాలు నీళ్ళు మిక్స్ చేసి వాట్ విల్ డూ, ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ ఓన్లీ మిల్క్, వాటర్ వదిలిపెట్టేస్తుంది. So that is the capacity of Hamsa. So one more Nyayam is there, that is called Ksheranjaya Nyayam. So if you nowadays some students are you give some బీరు నీరు కలిపి కానీ ఇచ్చేస్తే ఓన్లీ బీరు మాత్రమే తీసుకుంటారు, నీరు వదిలేస్తారు. That is called beer near Nyayam. So like that, we are taking care about Markata Nyayam, Marjala Nyayam. So this is a little introduction about me. Now let me go in detail with
leg checking. Oh my god. మీకు ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ నాకు కాదు. ఆటోమేటిక్గా వీడియో రన్ అవుతుంది. ఆటోమేటిక్గా రన్ అవుతుంది.
So I am Dr. Espo.
మళ్ళీ బొగ్గే
I am having 22 years of teaching experience and I have published 90 national and international journals. So I have few awards like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Award, Bharat Vibhushan Award, and
భారత్
I have also filed a patent on system and method for generating electrical energy by utilizing electrical energy. For that one, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam also appreciated at the time of 2012. Now we will go with only electrical engineering, not electrical engineering, but electrical engineering. Electrical engineering is an elementary board discipline that encompasses all from uses of electricity, having various branches: power system engineering, circuit engineering, control system engineering, instrumentation engineering, signal process engineering, bioengineering, and electrical machines, electrical hybrid vehicles, and smart grids. So nowadays, in spite of all these power electronics and electrical hybrid vehicles, so in Telangana government they sanctioned for 500 crores to develop the electrical vehicles. Nowadays scooters and cars, autos also only by charging the electricity only it is charging. So now advanced technology is electric vehicles. And of course smart grid, that is also little bit advanced, that itself understand by the electrical students by coming second or third year. So this is the diagram it is shown. Power generation. First of all we want to we are getting the energy here, electricity here, that means somewhere it is generated. So it is generation of, these are mainly 3 types. First one is wind power generation. So you are seeing some fan like that, some fan is there. So that is called wind. By using the wind, power can be generated. So the best places it is hills and sea places where there is wind. You go Tirumala hills also. Some of your friends come today for some. Today is some festival in Tirumala also. Is there any festival is there?
Garud Seva.
Yes, very good. You are little advanced. Oh, very good. Very active. So you go in Tirumala, you observe in the hills. There, that fan wheels are rotating. By utilizing that in wind energy, it is converted to the electrical energy. That is one form. And another form is thermal energy. By using the coal is there now. By using that coal, you boil the water. That water, it is converted that heat energy into the electrical energy to get the turbines. And and automatically turbine rotates. Once it is rotated, energy will be generated. So that is called a turbine energy. And nowadays, another advanced technology is solar power generation. Solar power generation is by using the sun power, sun energy. Wherever you go there, like it will solar by using the solar, it will absorb that solar energy, automatically it convert to the electrical energy. So like that, if you want to generate energy, there are 100 ways are there. So the best way to generate the electrical energy is thermal energy, solar energy, wind energy. One more is there, that is hydro energy. So this hydro energy is this port is from Nagarjuna, Srisailam. I think you visited so one time at least. So Nagarjuna Sagar or Srisailam. It is called hydro power generation. Water will come very fast. Because of water is going that fast, turbines are rotating. When it is rotating, electrical energy is generated. That is called hydro power generation. So earlier we have seen this thermal power generation, KTPS Kottagudem is there. Whenever you go there, you observe that energy, that thermal power station, visit that one. So once about like that, some of my students also find a patent system and method for generating electrical energy is that when some vehicle is moving also, power will be generated. That is, vibrations will be there. You just catch a bus, old RTC bus like that. What happens? It will not rotate. Backside, especially backside, you get more fluctuations. In driver's seat, there is a little very less fluctuation. That's why all our passengers are preferably to sit in front side. And front last long journey because vibrations are very less in the front. Medium vibrations are there. So their students what they will do? So they will collect that vibrations. So backside, RTC bus, backside and middle and starting side. They collected that vibrations with a special equipment and they converted that energy and made simulation of all these three and made comparison. So backside problem definitely last of the artist bus will get more power, middle less power, medium power. From driver like that front seat side you will get very less power. So like that I want to generate power means number of methods are there, but profitable methods means this is only the profitable method. One more nuclear energy also there, autonomous. That method also we are using nowadays. So once power is generated, how much power is generated? It is 33 kV, 133 kV power will be generated. So that power generation will come here. Before that, lot of stages are there. That is called transmission. This is called, if you are traveling long journeys, you will observe that very big towers. By using these towers, the 133 kV will come down to 33 kV by using the transformers. So 33 kV is again step down. So 33 to 11 kV, 11 to 340, while we are getting here 230 volts, finally 230 volts. So step down, transfers by using the transformer. So you will get the less voltage. What is the function of transformer? Function of a transformer? It convert the DC current to alternating current అనేది AC to AC అంటే inverter. So voltage only changing. So it will step down the voltage from certain voltage to some other voltage without changing the frequency. Frequency is same. So generation station at end point, customer point, frequency is same. Only the voltage will be stepped down. And power also same. Power means 100 times voltage will be decreased, 100 times current will be increased. So that power is always maintained, the power is constant. So like that, power voltage will be stepped down. This is transformer. Probably you can see in front of your house, apartment, some transformers are there. By using the transformer, it will step down 430 volts to 230 volts. scope of electrical engineers, there are lot
Down
of
చేసి
scope
అంటే
is there for electrical engineers. Not
Down
only
చేసి అంటే ఆడికి
computer
పోతుంది.
science, in electrical also transport and one side is there. Opportunities of engineering, last slide that I will show by explain. Government jobs, some more private jobs, you will get that one. So these are little jobs are there. BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electrical Engineering, 65% is there for electrical students. And NPTL, National Thermal Power Corporation, and National Power Transmission Corporation, Birla Institute of Technology and Science, ISRO, SAIL, up to this one, BEL, it is in Hyderabad. So for that, up to that, 65% are reserved for the electrical engineers. And PDIL, Project Development of India, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation, Bharat Petroleum Corporation, Indian Oil Corporation, Engineers India, Bharat Dynamics Limited, Gas Authority of India, National Aluminum Corporation. So like that, Vizag Steel Corporation, Aircraft, Military Services, it all as per that reservation percentage also I told. So total percentage 65% reservation for electrical engineers. This is just a conventional projects. Earlier time after completing the B.Tech, people will go for electrical APSC board. That board is now divided to two types, Transco and Genco. That what it is given. AP means Andhra Pradesh Generation Genco. Another one is AP Transco Transmission. It is divided into two boards. And Discom, that is called distribution. AP Discom. And private industries like EHV lines, HVDC. HVDC means extra high voltage. And paper mills, cement factories. So like that, number of opportunities there for electrical students. There are various opportunities for computer science and all other branch also. I am only concentrating on electrical opportunities only because I am explaining about electrical engineering. So here, for after completing the electrical and electronics engineering, job opportunities is there for government job opportunities, private job opportunities, and if you want to go with higher studies, so that is after B.Tech you may go with research. For research, go for M.Tech and PhD and go for IITs like that for doing research and all. And similarly, entrepreneurs also it is possible. Jobs it is limited, government jobs and private jobs, state government, central government. In central government also, and other branch. There also it is
Essay workshop.
So these are will take more time. Because I want to slow this slide.
ఆడికెళ్ళి ఒకసారి
There
try
are
చేయాలి.
vast opportunities for electrical students, of electrical engineers. So history of electrical engineering. So little bit 10 minutes we will discuss about history of electrical engineering. According to Indian and Greek mythology, people used to send the information very quickly. In the Ramayana and Mahabharata, Pushpak Vimanam, Sanjeevani and Divya Drishti were used. Actually, in cinema is also there. What is the earlier one movie came, Adipurush. So there they used Pushpak Vimanam and Divya Drishti and all. So but it is not regarded. But technology to build huge
సినిమా
temples
స్టోరీ కాదు.
like Tanjavur. So in human body, we also have some electrical energy.
Reflexes.
Our heart is working there. So it will nearly generate 10 volts battery is generated in our heart. That is generation. From your heart, electricity is generated. Once heart is pumping, electricity is generated. That will be transmitted to the entire body. Hands, legs, like that, all parts will call transmission, distribution, and it will work. So we will see in movies, some movies, somebody is joined in a hospital, they will take some ECG, and some graph will be coming there. So that is called how much energy electricity is there. Graph is going on like that. Sometime fate is good, it will okay. Otherwise, it will come it will reach to zero means that patient is gone outside. That means in everybody is having some energy, electrical energy in their own body. Similarly, this is one fish is there. Electrical, it will do shock, electrical shock.
Eel.
Some other scientists, so one scientist is named as Simon Ohm. So,
Simon,
Ohm,
there is Simon.
So I think probably you know the unit for the Ohm. So what is the unit? Where we will use the Ohm?
Electrical resistance.
Resistance. We are using the Ohm.
Resistance.
So he resistance only Ohm's law. By using Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Their resistance is there. Resistance is the proportion of the voltage and the current. Like that small for mathematics, I am explaining this thing.
Last semester lo
This is the scientist of Ohm. Another one is Michael Faraday.
Faraday.
So I think probably you may heard the Faraday. So now read the Faraday's law of electromagnetic field induction. Faraday's first law. Faraday's second law. Like that number of
Slash.
laws are there. Faraday's.
Double slash.
So because of more laws, we are calling him as a father of electrical engineering, electricity. It is given. Who is the father of electrical engineering is Faraday. So like that, before also it is there because he made more inventions. That's why he is calling Michael Faraday is calling as a father of electrical engineering. How electricity is generated? So whenever conductor cuts the magnetic field, EMF is generated. That is Faraday's first law. So North Pole and South Pole is there. Two poles, magnetic poles are there. Assume that this is North Pole and South Pole. So flux lines are coming from North Pole to South Pole naturally. So when lines are going there from North Pole to South Pole, you take one conductor and this conductor will cut the magnetic flux. It cuts the magnetic flux. EMF is generated. EMF means electromagnetic force, which is related to AC thing. So that is introduced by the Faraday's. So before that also, it is there. These laws also there. He only presented, copyrighted. Some people are now also debating that. Before that also, he copied from some other people and he published the patent. That's why his name is coming. So I am not going in deep with that one. But officially, Michael Faraday only introduced those things. So similarly, another person is also there. After that, nobody care about Faraday. So after Michael Faraday, Maxwell will come. So he only Maxwell combined all the mathematical equations available, which are proposed by the Faraday, and he given strength to the Faraday. So then Faraday come into picture, and everybody is appreciating Faraday's laws. So another person is there. So he is called
Nikola Tesla.
Nikola Tesla is there. So he invented number of electrical things. So in there, AC motors are very important and polyphase motors. So you introduce it, you do Google. So vast number of things are invented by the Nikola Tesla. Faraday introduced only AC, how AC current is introduced. Actually, his study is not completed 8th class also. So one person not completed 8th class also, he introduced the electricity very long back. So now we are discussing in like this stages about him. So you are studying engineering, you will invent, there is scope to invent more things also. Nikola Tesla, like that is what you are seeing there, that is induction motor is there. That is it. So it is tilted. Probably we will attach this one. See that AC the scientist. In addition to that, so he is very great motivational speaker, Nikola Tesla. So he introduced some law. So like that, what he introduced, 369 law he introduced. So that is his personal. If you read his Nikola Tesla personal autobiography, he will always regularly use these three numbers: 3 times, 6 times, 9 times number. Suppose he wanted to invent, so you put a function like this, so he selected a date like 3 and he go for third floor and 9 o'clock function will be started. So like that, we don't know what is there, that is his personal sentiments, but whatever he did, so that is all success, Nikola Tesla are success. And he also little inspiration for me because he invented 3-phase induction motor. So from that also I thought that 3-phase induction motor is also always there. So why can't we go with 6-phase? So like that I got used this technique. 3-phase is there now. Why always we have single phase is there, 3-phase is there. 4-phase is not there, 5-phase is not there, 6-phase is there.
365.
So why? Because already existing 3-phase lines are there. So existing 3-phase lines are there. So you do another 3-phase lines transmission. It's very to design, very easy to design 6-phase. Already 3-phase lines are there in India, in whole the world. So one more 3-phase line to take. Therefore totally 6-phase lines are coming. Similarly, 6-phase motors will also will come. So I submitted, because of that only I awarded PhD. I will tell little 2-3 minutes about 6-phase how it will work. So it is also advanced engineering. Increase of power transfer capital transmission system lead to economic and efficient right of way in developing countries. So multi-phase transmission system with less compact line design or conversion of existing double circuit 3-phase line into multi-phase helps to overcome this problem. This is multi-phase motor system. So that black lines indicate that A, B, C. So what is that? Three A. What is the 3 lines? That is A phase, B phase, C phase. So we have 3-phase power is there, na? So that is called A phase, B phase, C phase. In general, it will indicate with RYB. 3 lines are there. RYB means, so it is standard. R means red wire, Y means yellow, B means blue. So 3 wires are coming. That is 3 wires. So I did another 3 phases. So that is another M, N, C. So like that I taken. And phase to phase actually A, B, C. What is the phase difference between A, B, C from the diagram? So total 360 degrees. 360 divided by 3 means
60 degrees.
360 divided by 3 means 120 degrees. So therefore by seeing the diagram, the phase difference between A and B is 120 degrees, B and C is 120 degrees, C and A is another 120 degrees. So another 3 phase I arranged such that the angle between second 3 phase is just leading by 30 degrees. A to M is 30 degrees, C to another O is 30 degrees, N to OP is 30 degrees. Like that, the 6-phase motors are realized by splitting the stator winding. So stator winding means if you go with motor, AC motor, there are some stationary part is there, very weight is there, motor weight is very weight. So that is called stator. Some more things are rotating is there. Rotating is called rotor. So here it is. 3-phase motors are realized by splitting the stator winding of the 3-phase induction motor into 2 identical halves. 2 identical halves means like that A, B, C phase, another A dash, B dash, C dash, another phase. With a phase displacement of 30 degrees between them. So that 30 degrees means I use it here, A to M is 30 degrees. Suppose you want 60 degrees or 60 degrees only, nothing wrong, go with anything. A to M and M to C. Now here A to M is 30 degrees. Definitely you can give answer for M to C is 30 minus 30, 90 degrees. So otherwise this is asymmetrical. Multi-phase motor, asymmetrical way this one. Symmetrical means each phase is varying 60 degrees. So by using multi-phase induction motor, lower torque pulsation, lower harmonics, efficiency increase. So and some techniques are there, that is pulse width modulation technique. There are 2 types are there, 2 level, 3 level, like that. To increase the levels, what happened, DC is very straight line is there. So if you go with number of levels, one line is making more levels, what happened? It is coming nearly to sinusoidal wave, so that harmonics will be eliminated. That is the idea of making going to higher levels. So that is called multi-level inverter. So this is pulse width modulation, basic pulse width modulation, and advanced PWM technique. PWM means pulse width modulation. So one more, one general PWM technique is there. We want to download the YouTube videos. You just add for that address PWM friend. It automatically download to your computer automatically. You just verify at any time. Or you add www.some/http address will come. So you eliminate before, you eliminate all the things. You just add this one. WMP. So then automatically that will be downloaded. Otherwise, YouTube videos won't download. This is single pulse width modulation. Only one pulse is there. That is called carrier signal. And the reference signal is also there. Reference signal is compared with the triangular signal. This is multi-pulse. You see that in past to half cycle, number of pulses are there. And half cycle also number of pulses are there. Multi-pulse width. This is sinusoidal pulse width modulation. Sinusoidal pulse, sinusoidal is the reference signal and it is compared with the carrier signal. Trapezoidal, staircase, step wave. These are all the signals of alternating current. You will see in electrical engineering. Some advanced thing is space vector pulse width modulation. So it is possible to explain A phase, B phase, C phase here. And pulse space vector pulse width modulation, we will assume their vectors are rotating, 8 vectors are rotating in 3-dimensional way in space. So that's why it is called as space vector pulse width modulation. You assume that is available. It is not, you cannot see directly. By assumptions only it will get. So another is multi-level inverter. This is 2 level, 3 level, like that. Inverter levels increasing. So this is 6-phase induction motor. So this I only invented this 6-phase induction motor. 3 level in one side, another 3 level inverter is another side, and it is controlling. 6-phase induction motor is controlling. Similarly, so it is techniques how space vector pulse width modulation technique is going on. And 6-phase motor is controlled by 4 level, both side 4 level. And this is inside technique, and I compared. 2 level is first one is 2 level. Torque response is little, amplitude is more, and 3 level is amplitude is little less. By increasing the levels, the amplitude is going to be reduced. That means harmonics are reduced. This is also studies 5 level, 6 level, and harmonics for 2 level. The FF fractional Fourier analysis, total harmonic distortion. So that is the 90%. Kepler column is also there. This is ground level, 1 level, 1, 2, 3, 4 level. 4 level means ground level is one line is there. That is not working. First, second, 3. Before also 3 levels are there. So total 230 volts it is divided to 6 levels. It is tableted.
వేరే మెటల్స్ ఉంటాయి ఆ రోజు కాలేజ్ కూడా ఉండదు స్టార్ట్ కాబట్టి
Total
దాని
harmonic
తర్వాత
distortion
కాలేజ్ ఫుల్ డే స్టార్ట్ అయిపోతుంది
33% it will come to 16%. 3-phase induction motor 50%. 70% is there for 3-phase induction motor harmonic. 6-phase it is 39% to 16% it is reduced.
మనం 7:45 వచ్చినాం ఈడ 8:10 అంటే దిగేసిన అలా తినేసి ఒక 5 నిమిషాలు తినేసి వచ్చేసి
బల్బ్. Yes, he did 10,000 times he failed. 10,000 times you failed. So these friends are commenting, you failed 10,000 times. Now you
అందులో
failed
10,000 టైం వచ్చింది
10,000 times. I found how to fail not getting the bulb. So finally, he invented the Thomas Alva Edison. There are some quotes are good, better, best.
అసలు ఆయన ఉన్నారు కనిపెట్టింది వాళ్ళు దానికన్నా ముందే కనిపెట్టారు అది ఫెయిల్ అయిందని
Medical engineer will tells, a good engineer explains, a perfect engineer demonstrates, a gifted engineer inspires. The inspiration Swami Vivekananda told. So energy cannot be destroyed. Energy cannot be destroyed. Energy cannot be created. You are having, everybody is having own energy. Sometimes we feel more energy. Sometimes we feel less energy. That is called transformation. But energy is always constant in this universe. So that is all power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Believe in that. And do not believe that you are weak. So that is his words. So believe always, you believe that all power is within you. That is one statement. You also don't believe you are weak. Believe that you are very strong. So this is CCC. C means complete competence, confidence and commitment. If you want a success in your life, these three are very important. Competence is very important. You can't make a competition in among your friends. And confidence. Without confidence, we cannot do anything. So confidence also very important. Commitment. You commit for your goal. You create some goal. When you have created some goal, automatically that goal will give energy to complete that one. So first you fix you some goal, high goal. So that is called. This is one formula. Triple C formula.
Sir.
Thank you for listening patience.
ఫ్రెండ్ వెళ్ళిపోదాం ఇంకా మన ప్లేస్ తోడు వస్తాడు అప్పుడు వీడియో తీస్తాను